welcome back, my people. Another episode of Sneaker Be Sneaker. We are here again. This is actually a really super duper, I guess we could call it a final episode, kinda. So long story short, started this channel earlier this year during the pandemic. Things have been going pretty good with the channel. A lot of new friends, a lot of new connections, a lot of things have transpired over the course of the last, I guess you could say, 7 months or something like that. So plus I had a daughter. Bought a house. Boy bought a house. Never really gave you guys a history from the projects. I grew up in East Harlem, First Ave, East River Project. Spent my whole life there. Probably moved out of there when I was 28 years old. So most of my life, all I knew was bricks and fences, metal. Like you're not giving much hope when you're from where I'm from. So me buying a house in itself, first of all, me living long enough to buy a house was an incredible thing. But you know, it's one of those things where it's special, and it means a lot. With that said, some things have to change in terms of location. So obviously the sneaker basement isn't going to be the sneaker basement anymore, because we're not going to be in this basement. So this technically will be the last episode that I'm going to be shooting in the sneaker basement. The new house got more than enough room. Haven't figured out what I'm going to do in terms of setup and everything. If you guys knew this setup here, you would really understand I don't have very much space, but I make it work regardless. It doesn't matter. So I don't really have a comparison video to show you. I'm just going to show you everything that I got. I mean, I didn't get, there's quite a few things that I struck out on, which I was kind of upset about. You know what? I'm not going to get into what I didn't get. I'm just going to show you what I did get because I am happy with my pickups. So first things first, Christmas gift. It was a Christmas gift. My son loves me too. As you can see, it is the lovely Jordan 1 High box. As you can see, you couldn't read the label. It says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black Metallic Gold Black. Up top is something that I love. That swoosh on the inside of the box with the Nike logo on the other side. That's one of my favorite things about the Nike box. And then you open these up, and honestly, he got them from StockX. That he sent me a Christmas card. I only know because I've gotten other things from StockX around this time of year, and they do that a lot. So I got, these are so beautiful. I'm not going to review these because these have been reviewed 30 times already, 30,000 times already probably, by everyone in the sneaker business industry, whatever. Black and gold Retro 1 OG black. That platinum leather is just mean. This is a mean shoe. I love it. Love everything about it. Like I said, I'm not going to review it. I just want to show you guys the pickups that I got. This was a Christmas gift from my son. Boy got taste. That's all I can say. Boy got taste. So yeah, that's my. I was happy. I was so happy when I saw this. I was like, yo. Yeah, so that's pair number one. Pair number two Actually, I picked these up at Jimmy Jazz. Long story short, I didn't win the raffle. I never win a raffle. I've never won a raffle. But they did have extra pairs of sneakers in the store. So after the raffle was over, they said you could wait outside until 1:30, something like that. So I was the third person in line. The first guy, neither of the pairs fit him. They had two pairs. Neither the first guy, neither of the pairs fit him. Second guy took the last size 11, which sucked. I got the size 12, which I was going to trade somebody for a size 11. Didn't happen. Lo and behold, 2 days before Christmas, I went into Jimmy Jazz again, and they had them on the shelves, which was astounding to me. They had them on the shelves, and they had a size 11. So I ran back home, got the size 12, brought him back to Jimmy Jazz, got the size 11. So that was the long story short. And to show you what I got, light box. You see it. What does that say? Yes, it does. That is the Air Jordan 4 Retro Fire Red. Whew. These are another sneaker that everybody had, won a raffle, whatever. Oh man, even paper. Just love that paper. So I'm not going to review this sneaker either. I am just going to show you the beauty, quality, astounding gorgeousness of this shoe. Oh my God, it's just so beautiful. It's one of the more iconic shoes. One of my favorite pickups of the year. I don't have many Retro 4s, but this one right here, oh my goodness, man. I'm holding on to this till next summer. Maybe, man, listen, I might not bring this out till summer 2022. These are so clean, mean, oh my goodness. And I know everybody got them, but I'm happy I got them. The other one does come with, obviously, you guys know, it comes with that big tag on it. But, oh my goodness, this was when I got this shoe, when I got the 12, I was like, you know what, it's all right. At least I got them. I can trade them with somebody for my size, yada, yada, yada. But then when I found them in the same store that I brought them for with my size, oh, God. I was in heaven. That was one of my favorite pickups. Shout out to Jimmy Jazz. You guys are amazing. Awesome. So that's number 2. We have another box here. This one I am not quite sure who it's from. Anyway, I don't know what kind of box it is, but it's a box nonetheless. And we're gonna find out what do we have in here. As you can see, it is an Air. Well, now you can see it's an Air Jordan box. I know what these are. These are actually, that's what I ordered. These also off of StockX for less than what retail. Yep, $109 was the purchase price of these. Less than retail. These have the 23 tissue paper, and these are the I can't believe that they released both of these on the same day, almost just pretty much the same time. And they're like completely different, but they're so similar, and yet I love them both. They're like having two children. Like I love them both, and I can't decide which one I like better. Like these are both super duper fly. Like I love how this has more white than anything, more white and gold than anything, a little bit of black. The other one is just all black and gold. Like, oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful shoe. A lot of people didn't like this shoe. I'm a huge fan of this shoe. I wanted it. I saw it on StockX. Got it for less than what retail one. $109. $109 is what I paid for that. So shout out to StockX too. StockX, man, you guys have been coming through lately. I've been getting a lot of things on StockX that's for less than retail. So, excuse me, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. I'm telling you, StockX, they got some stuff. All right, here we go. This one, this is from, StockX. So SMOT is StockX. The SMOT. That's a StockX thing apparently. So I believe I know what these are, but let's just double check. These are probably Jordan 1 Zen Greens. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are. As you can see, Jordan 1 box. And yep, it was StockX. I got the StockX card. And these are yes. These are mean to me. I am sorry. I know a lot of people were making noise about these, saying that these are flops, and yeah, these are ice cold, man. These are ice cold. Ooh, that Nike jacket is reflective. Ooh, Lord, that is a work of art. That leather isn't the greatest, but that suede looks. That looks mean, man. I like that a lot. I like this shoe a lot. Wow, this is one of my top pickups. I love this shoe. Zen Greens, man. Wow, I am impressed with this shoe. Very impressed. Yes, I am. Wow, this is a nice shoe, man. Nice shoe. Nice shoe. Love it. Wow, I can't believe it. This was that along with the other pickups I had for the year. I've had a really good year, man. This is gonna be the last episode in the Sneaker Basement. Don't worry, there's gonna be more content, more episodes coming, more comparison videos. But you know what? Let's show you guys the magic. So this is the basement of my townhouse here, and if you look, this is how I have it set up. And then the sneakers start here, and then they go up there. And I got a couple of boxes of the Reese's. Yeah. And then we got sneakers right here. Yeah. Sneakers back there. Fun fact, this right here, this little wall, this is actually just paper. I bought from the dollar store. A couple of things. Got my Denver Broncos championship towel. This was my setup. Nothing too crazy. Humble. That's pretty much it. Sneaker v Sneaker. Last episode from the basement. It's fun. I mean, for what I had to work with and what I was able to create, like, I'm happy. I'm excited. I mean, that how like Jeff Bezos and them started, like, in the basement. See how this goes. Anyway, thank you guys for joining again. Sneaker v Sneaker, last episode from the basement. Humble beginnings. Yeah, thanks again for joining. I love you guys. Click a like, click a subscribe, click that notification bell, because I'm telling you, coming soon, I'm about to hit you with a fury of content. But anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys for everything. I appreciate the support, feedback, everything. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Sneaker v Sneaker. Yo!